Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with Marta with this mixed braid style. So we're going to have normal 3-strand braids, Dutch braids and French braids. Split the hair in the middle, make a middle parting, and then take from the top a diagonally parting to make a triangle shape. I apply some gel to avoid flyaways, and we want this hairstyle to stay in some days. Comb everything neatly through and then attach a little hair tie to make a small ponytail. Then do exactly the same thing on the other side. Try to get the same amount of hair so that you have symmetry in those two triangles. Comb the gel neatly through and attach a little elastic. Now I'm taking another triangle shape about 2 inches wide from the front parting. I apply some gel, split this into 3 strands, and then I'm doing a regular Dutch braid. So right strand goes under the middle strand, left strand goes under the middle strand, and you braid until you reach the hair tie. There you add another elastic and combine the little ponytail with the braid. On the other side, do exactly the same. Apply some gel. This avoids that the baby hairs are flying around and you can incorporate them. Section 3 equal strands, and then do another Dutch braid. If your hair is dry or has some flyaways, just apply some more gel. Braid again until you reach the hair tie of the opposite little ponytail and combine. Then I'm making longer the middle parting until the neck, and I'm putting away the hair from the right hand side that I do not need right now. Applying gel again around the hairline to the face and also in the neck, around the part line and again in the neck. Then I'm combing everything through, and I take about 2 centimeters from the front, or a bit less, depends on how much hair you have there. I split this into 3 equal strands, and I start with the top strand to bring it under the middle strand and then from down. And when I did 2 stitches, I started to incorporate hair. I'm taking hair from down and from the top, but I try to have the braid more on the top because I want to incorporate now parts from the ponytail. I'm taking half of this ponytail, half of the hair, to incorporate it to the braid by the side. Do some more stitches and then take a hair tie temporarily to save the braid, to secure. Then I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and I'm incorporating again parts from the little ponytail and from the hair underneath, so that is attached to the scalp. Keep on braiding until you reach the other braid, and then I'm doing a French braid. So now the outer strand goes over the middle strand, and then I'm incorporating some hair over the middle and then add some hair from behind. And like this, you braid until you do not have any more hair to add into your strands. This is for me now. And then you keep on braiding until the very end. This is a regular 3-strand braid now. 3-strand braid, not brand, a braid. Okay, do this until there's nothing more to braid. Use always some more hair gel, you see, like this. I nearly have no flyaways, even not all hairs are the same length. Here I made it a bit easier. I first parted the hair and especially the little ponytail, and I clipped away the hair that I did not need. Now go around the edges from the face to tame the hair. I did this also underneath, and then I'm taking the front section, I part this into 3 equal strands, and I start to braid down under the middle, up under the middle, and after those 2 stitches I start to add in some hair to the strand that I just brought under. Bring under and add in some hair. Bring the top strand under, add in hair from the ponytail, and then also if you add in hair from the ponytail, make sure that you take the hair that is under the ponytail so that this part of the braid is attached to the scalp. You see, it's not all free. Now we're taking the last part of hair that is left, and I'm doing exactly the same, 3 strands. After the 2 stitches I start to incorporate hair, and then I also take hair from the ponytail. And then when I reach the same length, I combine again. Make sure that you have more or less the same thickness of strands, and then incorporate the remaining hair. French braid, so you go from outside over the middle strand and then just do a regular French braid until the end. When you see that a strand is not the same, you can help yourself by adding from the strand behind just a bunch of hair, and you just equalize everything. Tie off, and this is the final result. Crossed Dutch braids on the top, combined 2 little ponytails that we incorporate into like boxer braids, but in a V shape behind. I hope you like this style. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe. Bye bye.